nice motor.
Well, it's been, bearings have been saying a little bit lately. So
Oh, have they?
I don't know if it's getting me, but I just wish it would. It's
Yeah.
got 3-year labour warranty.
And
Not too bad.
No, I thought that was quite good. Maybe that justifies the higher price for it.
Yeah.
I don't think it's what I would have rather just got the Deco and paid. Because the Curry's one had a 2-year warranty.
Right.
So you're only getting an extra year for £150.
Yeah, no, it's not.
It was maybe about a bit
Because
less.
I think usually you can get about a year for about, what is it, 60 quid?
Aye.
Cover?
But,
Aye.
Something, I can't remember exactly.
Well,
But it's not too much.
3-year labour warranty.
Yeah.
But it's still good, and it will be 2 years old this October.
Right.
Alex has had about 6 new washing machines in the last 2 years. He gets bored with them now, and he finds an excuse and gets his shop to take them.
Yeah.
He's had LG, he's had hot points, he's had 3 hot points, and now he's got this 4th hot point washer dryer, the integrated one. And he also had the LG with the foam, the squirty thing. It's got an extra pump inside.
Oh,
yeah,
And,
the
he kept- and when he did it on a 90 wash, the pump got very loud, so he complained about it. And they said it wasn't a fault, but they've changed it.
Wow.
But I think he just doesn't know what to do.
Doesn't know what one to
I
have.
told him you were coming along today, but he's working, but he says he might be coming along before you go. But I don't see the boiler broke down, something else broke down, 3 things broke down this week. It's been a hell of a week. Can't think what it was. What if something else happened?
It's what as they say. It's
Well, the dishwasher broke down.
Oh, it's not. That's it.
No, it's working now. What it was is it just stopped working, and it was the pump was jammed.
Oh.
The empty.
Right. Yeah.
I think someone must have got into the pump, but it freed itself. But it was about an hour before I could work out what was wrong. It's 20-year-old.
Oh, yeah. I mean, what is it? Howden, I think I saw.
Homework.
Homework. Are they supposed to
It's
be?
actually a Smeg because
They are.
I had to get a new pump for it maybe 10 years ago. It was Smeg brand on the pump.
Oh,
Not
right.
just the kind of pump you don't need to touch any hoses. You just turn it a quarter turn, and it comes out. Put the new one in, quarter turn, and put the 2 connectors on your left.
Yeah. Quite easy.
Yeah.
I got it for that end of components.
Oh yeah.
But,
Ember compliance. Yeah.
but he's now traded. He'll sell to anybody.
Yeah.
Have we been?
Yeah. So that little fast little one that David's got, that would be like that daily wash, 8 kilo.
Yeah. Well, yeah, because these don't have that mini 30 anymore. They replaced that with daily wash.
I sometimes use the hand wash for the wool.
Aye.
I've never used the machine cleaner.
Well, I'll be interested to see what that's like.
I suppose maybe it's a boil wash or something.
I think it is.
One that David did like 70 degrees. 70, yeah.
That sounds about right, actually.
I don't know what the programming was like, but I said I would go and film it one day.
One day. On your mini metro. No, I think that is a 20 degrees.
20 degrees. That's
Yeah.
practical cold then.
Yeah, that'll be what that is.
Because
Like
that
three-
one,
plus.
it
three
says mini
plus.
14 and it's got a wee minute symbol beside the 14. So that's,
Oh, yeah.
that's it wash time.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Is that yours?
That's better.
That's the pump. That's
Yeah, I know, I'm saying that like it's balanced itself.
Should spin that hopefully.
See what you mean, how quite noisy it is.
It gets worse. It goes on a spin.
Was it?
Sometimes with tails because it's an uneven weight.
Yeah.
It doesn't go too bad. But if you see we've got a pair of jeans and the t-shirts, because the jeans are unbalanced, it'll feel like we're I've never noticed it, and it spins after the roll. Because
Yeah.
I know the Hoover machines just used to do evaluation runs and you go straight into runs.
Yeah, that's right, yeah. I mean, like, Brandon, he really likes the Hoover Apex 60. And I was telling him I actually had one and I stupidly sold it.
That's the first machine I ever did. Just sit right there.
Right, for the dishwasher, oh, that'd be amazing.
And the guy had it for a year before we got it plugged in. Used to use the tap adapters.
Oh,
You could
yeah.
actually, you could change the knob and interlock transfers. There was an orange gold one,
Oh,
a silver
yeah.
one, just to complement the kitchen.
Yeah.
If you wanted it, it was almost the colour of your jacket.
Yeah,
Or
that
you
was
could have
alright.
green, or you could have silver. In the 839 it was just an automatic, it wasn't, it was just a single speed machine. And then an enamel drum, it was quite a low spec.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, it was great, great machine. Man, it had, for some reason the 800 Hoovers had got a clue. I don't know why that was on the other ones.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
And then it was only
Yeah, they did,
100's got a smaller clue.
That's funny.
That's actually used as a bit less water than David's.
Less?
Less water than
It's
David's.
still quite high.
That's a massive water.
I know, but his uses like a bit in it.
Some machines they just saturate them.
Yeah.
Yeah,
I mean that's like the old hot points, that level.
yeah,
Yeah.
pretty much is. Yeah,
It still doesn't get the super.
No.
Yeah, it
Even on the
does.
final spin, there's still foam flying over the
Yeah.
Oh yeah,
So that's why I usually put on
the rinse program.
which is a double rinse. It's like a rinse, a spin, and then a condition. If you want.
Oh yeah, yeah.
Now that there's no too many tails in that. It's not too bad.
Yeah.
He said no one here tea.
Oh yeah, I'll drink in a wee minute.
You can eat it.
I do like the way they do that.
Yeah, I do that as well.
I don't think mine did that originally. I know mine did do that kind of rinse, but mine didn't feel that high, so it was never that interesting.
Yeah.
Take as long as you want. I'm looking for something.
Or you step on it.
Well, yeah, defo. Hey. I know, I can just hear them when they're working.
I never actually took the tails out there to see if there was anything else in there that maybe shouldn't be in a hot water.
Oh yes, it's all
I
good.
didn't like see the Hoover, they were continuous.
Yeah,
washing
yeah.
water already, stopped running the time.
Yeah.
And you bet, I love it when you just have a Hoover and you're like, it's just one. This is not like that.
Yeah.
And I'll stop again.
I would say that actually kind of helps with rinsing.
I think it would be easier for them to make a program and just keep the drum down instead of starting something.
Yeah.
It's probably still creasing and all that now.
Possibly.
Once the surface turns to the water, it's the electric pumps.
Was it?
Most of the manual pumps, but to have an electric station trying to fill 770 spin.
Something like that.
It
Yeah.
wasn't a big leap forward.
No.
Just around
Yeah.
30 reps a minute. It's all, that's what sewing machines in the 80s were expensive. Now it's what, kilogram units.
Yeah, and then also how many buses are at the end of it.
Aye. I never really know 1200.
Yeah.
And my whole point had before 1200 marks. I feel 1400, 1600. Either that or
Yeah.
A little bit.
mother gets manually different. Manually different. Manually different. It's on the count. This runs as well. See that?
Oh yeah.
That's an example.
Yeah.
A lot of machines are coming with a cool different, but it's got grey. It's
Yeah.
also
And
it's
Mark,
nice.
yeah, Mark, he had the service laser as well.
Oh,
Yeah,
the
the front loader, yeah,
Yeah.
And
I'd
that
love
was
to see a
that was
laser in
exclusive to Comment.
yeah.
Yeah. I think, I don't know, was it Indesit had a bit of a thing with grey as well? Big comment.
Aye.
Yeah.
Then there's an 825 was a grey console.
Yeah. Was that the one with the square handle and the sort of dials on the right?
Aye.
Yeah.
It was almost like a mirror image.
Yeah.
And the door opened on, it was hinged on the right. It opened
Something
up.
like that, yeah.
I stayed in a flat in Edinburgh for a year and they had one. And there was an 823. But I think 823 was a national model, but 825 I think was an
Was it?
exclusive
Yeah.
one.
I mean, if you're talking about the right one, then it might be the one one of my friends had.
Aye.
And
The soap powder drawer was on the opposite side.
on the right, yeah.
Aye.
And it was, yeah. And it had two buttons, about 800 spin, probably something about right. And it had the teardrops on the back of the drum.
All right.
And yeah, and there was the bearings were going on it, and then she replaced it with like a Zanussi Essentials or something, way back in like 2006. But she kept it downstairs in her second kitchen because she had quite a big house with a second kitchen downstairs, and
I replaced the drum seal on an 825 bench.
oh,
It was awful. I couldn't. Every time you got it over the lip at the top, it kept jumping off at the bottom.
Oh.
Yeah.
I know the tip is to coat the inside of the
Yeah,
rubber
with
seal with
fabric.
fabric conditioner, and I spent about a good couple of hours last year with that service doing it, but I got it eventually.
Yeah.
The-
To be honest, I just use a bit of wash up.
Oh, aye, but somebody told me that I can rot rubber Phillips.
Can it?
Well, rubber and they tell you never to use washing up liquid for the windscreen wipers because it rots the
I didn't
rubber
know
seal
that.
around the windscreen. So that's why fabric conditioner is less threatening.
I did not know that at all. That's interesting.
I know. I'm going to try and get this service out from the home. That computer will be ready if you want to
Alright then.
use it. I usually use Google Chrome for the operating
fine.
system. Oh God.
Right, can you give me a minute, we'll be out in a minute.
No, we'll wait till that's finished. I'll peel the machines out and then that'll be
As soon as this is done, I'll get that ticket booked as soon as,
Yeah.
just in case there's any.
Contacts.
Yeah. Well, no, it's because if I leave it too late, then the places will all go on that as well.
Exactly.
How small is this compared to another one?
It's very small.
I don't get it. Why? What have I done to it?
Do you lie in that?
I don't know. I don't think so. I have my arm like that, but I don't lie on it.
Right, yeah, well maybe during the night you subconsciously lie on it.
Yeah. But then, you know, why would it happen now? is so close to dying.
Well,
Knees again. It's only about 800.
just about.
I can't remember the spin pattern anymore. So yeah, I think it struggles for a bit and then it sort of lurches into it.
What it's doing now.
Actually, I think it is. It sounds very smooth for 1200.
The thing is, it's like if it goes.
What?
So sometimes it was actually picking up the light.
Yeah.
And it was making like the drum sort of.
Yeah.
Isn't that half what I would Oh, excuse me.